everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn use of have, had and has, and where we are using them and how we are using them. So let's learn. This is an important video, so watch till the end. Let's start the video. Now let's start with the use of have and has. So have and has both are used in two cases. Firstly, as a ownership or possession or authority, you can say, and secondly, have and has are being used as helping verb. So when I am saying that have and has are being used to show some kind of possession or authority or ownership, we can explain it through some examples. Let's have few examples, then we will be clear. So the first example is I have an iPhone. I have an iPhone. Here I am possessing an iPhone. That's why I am telling that I have an iPhone. So I am showing ownership or authority. In the similar way, the second example is Raman has a car. So Raman is here showing an authority or ownership of having a car. So that's why we are telling Raman has a car. Raman has a car. And you can say also they have a beautiful house. They have a beautiful house. That means they possess that beautiful house. So it's being told that they have a beautiful house. I have also told that have and has are also being used as helping verb. Means secondly, they are being used as helping verb. So a few examples are as number 1, he has visited Australia. So here has is helping verb and visited is actually the main verb. Means visit is the main verb and has is helping verb here. He has visited Australia. In the same way, number 2, I have finished my homework. Number 2, I have finished my homework. Here have is helping verb and finish is main verb. I have finished my homework. One more important thing that is to be said, that is when the subject is I, you, we, they, then we should use have. And when the subject is he, she, it or any name, then we should use has. One exceptional thing I have to say, that is when we add to, T or to with have or has, then they become modal verbs. For example, I have to do work. He has to complete his homework. So these have to, has to are actually modal verbs. One more thing I want to say, that have to and has to are being used when something is necessary. Means in such cases where you feel something is necessary. As I have to dance. Means I have to dance. I should dance. Means I have to dance. Dancing is necessary now. So I have to dance. I have to go now. Means I have to go now. Means it is very much necessary to go now. I have to go now. I have to dance. He has to come. He has to perform. Now let's understand the use of have and has in questions. In questions too we use have and has. So few examples are as number 1, have you ever been to Mumbai? Have you ever been to Mumbai? Number 2, has anyone seen my book? Has anyone seen my book? Number 3, who have done this? Who have done this? Who has done this? Who has done this? Now let's understand the use of have to in negative sentences. Examples are as number 1, you don't have to come tomorrow. You don't have to come tomorrow. He does not have to perform tomorrow. He does not have to perform tomorrow. And one more information, that is has to is not being used in negative sentences. In negative sentences there is no use of has to. The past form of have and has is had. So now let's understand the use of had. As same as have and has, had is also used in two cases, and that is number one in showing some possession or ownership or authority, and number two as a helping verb. So let's understand with few examples. For example, number one, I had a laptop. I had a laptop. Number two, she had a car. She had a car. In these cases, we are also showing possession. Means I had a laptop. I possessed a laptop. But in the past, not now, not in present. She had a car. Means she possessed or she had an ownership of having a car. But not now, not in present situation. So the possession is in past. Now secondly, had is also being used as a helping verb. So one example, he had decided to go there. He had decided to go there. So here decided means decide is the main verb, and had is used as a helping verb. He had decided to go there. Another example, I had gone there yesterday. I had gone there yesterday. So here gone is the third form of go, and the helping verb is had. Same way, when we add to had, it becomes a modal verb. Had to is modal verb. Now examples are as I had to attend a party yesterday. I had to attend a party yesterday. They had to come to my house yesterday. They had to come to my house yesterday. So this modal verb had to is being used in those cases where we can see something was necessary. Means something was important, something was necessary. So you can see the examples. I had to go to a party yesterday. Means it was necessary to go to that party. So I am telling I had to go to that party yesterday. Now let's understand use of had in questions. Means in interrogative sentences. First example, had you watched my performance yesterday? Had you watched my performance yesterday? Number two, had Raman closed all his profiles from social networks? Had Raman closed all his profiles from social networks? So my video is ending here. Thank you for watching till now. This video is very important. Watch this video repeatedly to understand the use of have, has and had. So let's meet with each other in my next video. Thank you.